gentlemen, go easy aerobatics along with Aerosport Power and Art Craft at the Long Easy. Now, this airplane was not designed for aggressive aerobatic flight, but what it lacks in capability, it more than makes up for with its unique style. With a sleek delta wing and those forward-mounted canards, it's fast, efficient, and can fly over 1,000 nautical miles on just a single tank of gas. It cruises at over 200 miles an hour, and Kyle brought all the way from Alberta, Canada to be with us here today. Diving in now, directly in front of us to begin this aerobatic routine in an aircraft not exactly designed to do so. We welcome Kyle Fowler in this performance he calls Go Easy Aerobatics. At just 12 years old, Kyle got his start in the airshow world, not from the cockpit, but from behind a microphone, announcing for his father. For many, many seasons, Ken Fowler, who flew a Harmon rocket on the circuit for many years. Fast forward to today, and Kyle is in big demand coast to coast. He just loves air shows and refers to his machine lovingly as the backwards plane. Kyle is also a nighttime air show performer, flying a great deal of pyrotechnics on board his wing-mounted pylons, and even performs on occasion with a dirt bike jumping over his airplane. It's crazy stuff, and was once even covered by the Discovery Channel. We're going to watch him now as he performs the 4-point hesitation roll, stopping the aircraft every 9-degree angle of bank. Kyle Fowler, a commercial pilot, instrument rated. He flies air shows full time in this very aircraft. He's also a licensed automotive mechanic, which is perfect for a home-built airplane, just like this Long Easy, as Kyle handles all of the maintenance himself. We're going to watch him now as he completes the big vertical loop at Show Center, and as he reaches speeds on the bottom of this loop of nearly 180 miles an hour. Up and over the top for the half cube and 8 turnaround, a 5/8 loop with a 180-degree roll on the downside as he sets up for his next maneuver. Kyle also maintains a very strict Canadian diet of poutine and maple syrup. Apparently, it's his secret to his high G tolerance. We're going to watch him now as he completes a maneuver called the Humpty Bump, and he's going to reposition to the left for a classic wing over, sometimes called a whiffer-dill, before he rolls inbound for a big smooth barrel roll. He will maintain 1+ continuous positive G throughout the entire figure as he pulls back on the stick, continuing that pull, and we'll watch as he pushes the control stick over to the left. 180 miles an hour, about 2.5 times the force of gravity. Watch the roll. This is an out-of-this-world design, straight from the mind of aerospace pioneer Burt Rutan, who was known for creating some very unique aircraft. And just this last year, we celebrated the 50th anniversary of the Long Easy and Very Easy line. When Kyle is not out evolving as a pilot, he divides his time between his passion for air shows with the pride of his life, his family. He's supported by his wife Miranda and their 4 kids, Bentley, Tucker, Via, and Elijah, who are his biggest fans no matter where he flies. Kyle is the only performer that we know of flying the Long Easy on the North American air show circuit. It's nearly impossible to stall or spin, and that is exactly what Burt Rutan set out to achieve when he designed it some 50 years ago. High and to the right, Kyle is going to set up to showcase to you the rapid rolling capability of the Long Easy. Watch him now as he dives in, trading that altitude for some airspeed as he sets up for this, the double rolls. very big round of applause, everybody, for Kyle Fowler and the Long EZ. He is going to climb to the left. And we're going to take this opportunity to go live to the cockpit with Kyle Fowler. Hey, Kyle, it's Luke. How do you copy?
Got you 5 by 5, Luke. How's everybody feel today?
Hey, Kyle, we are doing great indeed. It is a beautiful evening. I know you're having a lot of fun out there.
That I am. And while I got you on the radio, I want to say a big thank you to all the volunteers. And Luke, you and I both know that there's some volunteers out there for all the hard performance plays.
Copy that. We'll be looking for it. There's the topside pass. Great photo opportunity. And he will work his way off to the left, completing the top side pass. Kyle, that looked great.
Thank you so much. The camera goes up. I don't think they're quite ready yet, so one more thing. Stand by.
Okay, we'll stand by and wait for it.
Come in on Alpha. I'm going to come in on Alpha 3. And, Luke, you ever go to a NASCAR race?
Yeah, I've been to one or two over the years.
You know how when they're done their little races that they do their little burnouts at the end?
Yeah, little smoke show, burn some rubber, that kind of thing?
Yeah, that kind of thing. Well, in Airshows we do something similar. I got to take a second to get back here on
In the long, you see the backwards plane. You can see the engines in the back. It's a pusher, and it's
All right,
got...
how's that look there, Luke?
That looks good. You are lined up right at show sitter. Doesn't get better than that.
All right, Madisonville, are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
All right, hit it.
Here we go. Cool. We'll see you later, buddy. Kyle Fowler and the Long EZ. How cool is that? He is also a performer.